Hello guys, Life of Jay here, and before we get started with the video, please make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Please stay and watch the full video. Without further ado, let's get to it. What's good, YouTube, man? You already know who it is, man. No need for an introduction. Hey, man, today I'm not even gonna make this a long video. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna give y'all a quick little update on the shoes that I had just sold, man. I decided to do the video outside today because I got tired of, you know what I'm saying, being tied up in the house, in that green room. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna have to switch up the room, man. What y'all think? Let me know what y'all think about that room. Y'all like that room? Like, I don't know, it's like really like dark and dim. So I want to come outside, get some fresh air, get a breather, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just do this whole little video in my car right now. It's cold as hell in Houston right now. It's about 45 degrees outside. I don't know, I like it though, cause Houston weather, bro, you just never know what you gonna get. 1 minute is hot, the next minute it's pouring down, raining, the next minute we got tornadoes, the next minute you got a category 18 hurricane coming through. Like, bro, it just be so much going on. So it finally feel good to get some cool weather in Houston, man. I'ma also have to go shopping for some new winter clothes. Anyways, look, so I had just sold these Converse, these Comme Garcons. I think I'm saying it right, Comme Garcons. I don't know, man. I done took Spanish like 4 times. You know what I'm saying? I done went all the way up to Spanish 4 and I still don't know Spanish, if that's even Spanish. Is that Spanish or is that French or Italian? Which one? Or is French the same as Italian? I don't know, man. But look, we about to go ahead and get to it. I'm about to go ahead and open this box and get straight to it. I ain't gonna lie, man, I always seen these shoes. I think the year these shoes had came out was like 2015. I think ever since then, bro, I haven't seen them in no stores. Actually, when they first came out, I haven't seen them in stores even when they first dropped. Like, so they pretty cool though. I ain't gonna lie to you. I never really wore Converse like that. First time that I think I only had 1 pair of Converse my whole entire life, and it was like in middle school. And that was when Wiz Khalifa was first coming out with the whole Taylor Gang thing. So I don't know, Wiz inspired me to go and collect some Converse that I really ain't even enjoy, honestly. But I be seeing a couple of Converse, they clean though. So I don't know, I like Converse, you know what I'm saying? They classics, real classy. I mess with them, but I mess with the low tops more than I do the high tops. And I also saw some low top all white Comme Garcon Converse that I really up with. They live, but I definitely buy the low tops over the high tops when it come to Converse. So here they go right here, man. You know what I'm saying? I seen a couple of cats with these. I really dig the little heart on the side. Like, it's cold, it's crazy. And then, you know what I'm saying, of course you got the little Converse thing right there. Now, like I said, if it was up to me, I'm going with the low tops. I really don't feel the high tops like that too much. I don't know why. I really don't like my lips was dry. Let me get them lips, hold on. You know what I'm saying? Lips a little crusty, you know what I'm saying? Gotta clean them lips, they're a little crusty. But yeah, anyways, I don't know, man, like the high tops seem like too skinny. Like, I don't know, like up here in this area, how flat they are, like I don't really mess with that too much. But I mean, like, for the shoe though, it's cool. Like, I F with the shoe. And then I like the little white stripe that they added in on the back. Like I said, the heart, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I like the heart. Like, I really like the heart. They really just basic black Converse with a heart and some eyes on the side. But I dig it though. I dig the style. I like it. But like I said, if it was just up to me, I get the all white ones or the black ones. They got some real crazy ones, man. Like, they real crazy that I'm actually looking into buying. They the Comme Garcon low tops, and they white, and they got hearts going like all around the side of the shoe. Them crazy. I'm not even gonna lie, them crazy. I had copped the shoe for $142. Mom, I'm trying to make a video.
What they got to do with me?
You singing, being all loud.
Oh, you can hear me on the video? Shoot.
So I had copped the shoe for $143 and resold it for $185. So that's a $42 profit. Not so bad, not so bad. As y'all can see, I'm slowly working my way up to gaining a bigger and bigger profit through selling these shoes. So like I said, I'm just now starting off in sneaker reselling. So I'm starting one at a time, popping shoes, flipping one at a time. I'm slowly, gradually building, man, building. That's what it's all about. You know what I'm saying? I ain't want to start off, you know what I'm saying, all the way in where I'm copying a whole bunch of product and then not being able to flip them or something like that. So I'm slowly building, copying one shoe at a time, reselling them, you know what I'm saying, making a little bit of profit on it, put it up for savings, and then, you know what I'm saying, copying more shoes and just repeating the cycle one by one. And then as I start to get more of a hang of things, then that's when I'm gonna make multiple purchases of shoes and yeah, and flip them like that. So soon y'all gonna be seeing me with stacks of boxes. Y'all ain't gonna just be seeing me presenting these one little pair of shoes. Y'all gonna see me with multiple stacks of shoe boxes. I just appreciate you guys that are watching and interacting with me every time I drop a video or whatnot, and I really appreciate it. I love y'all, man. Just, you know what I'm saying, keep rocking with me, and I'm gonna be here for y'all whenever y'all want to interact with me. If you want to, you know what I'm saying, message me, hit me on the DMs, you know what I'm saying, hit me in the comments or whatever. I'm gonna try my best to respond back to y'all. And yeah, man, shoot, let's just go up, man. Hey, we about to go up. I'm telling you, we about to go up, man. And yeah, man, that'll do it for the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, subscribe. Please turn on that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Other than that, man, it's your boy, Life of J. I'm out.